The photos from the Richmond County Photography Group will be on display here in downtown Rockingham at Arts Richmond for their open house this Sunday, March the 10th from 3 to 5 p.m. We invite you to come in beautiful downtown Rockingham and check out the work from our local photographers. We promise you will be impressed. I am Megan Lambeth, your Richmond County Tourism Director, with your weekly Rockamercial, your guide to all the fun here in rocking Richmond County. Tonight, there is a lot going on Friday night, March the 8th here in Richmond County. In downtown Rockingham, where we are now, Nana's Coffee Rocks will have their monthly open mic night. At Hudson Brothers Deli, just around the corner, they will have live music with Chucky and Ducky. Over at Double Vision, they will have karaoke, and they will also have karaoke in Hamlet at Hail Mary's Tavern. At Rockingham Speedway, they will host the Richmond County Ducks Unlimited Annual Banquet. Saturday, March the 9th, here in Rockingham, Hippy Dippy Marketplace is having another class. This one will be decorating cupcakes. That starts at noon. Also in Rockingham at VFW Post 4203, they will have a membership drive and reunion that will start at 1 p.m. Double Vision will have DJ Roy G at Hail Mary's Tavern. They will have a birthday party for Olandis. And Axe to Grind, Bowtie will be there doing karaoke. At Hamlet American Legion, the Sandhills Shag Club will have their monthly meeting and night of shagging and dancing fun. This will also be a St. Patrick's Day themed party, so make sure you wear green and be ready to shag starting at 7 p.m. at Hamlet American Legion. Saturday at 4 p.m., it will be a Steakhouse night at the Grille here in Rockingham. Also in Rockingham at the Falling Creek Gym, WCEW, which is World Class Elite Wrestling, is back in town. They will open the doors at 6:15 and the bell will ring at 7:15. The night full of wrestling fun. More live music will be in the lounge at Strikers featuring Chance Howland, and this starts at 7 p.m. Sunday the 10th will be the open house here at Arts Richmond with the display from Richmond County Photography Group. Also, more arts here in Richmond County will start at the Cole Auditorium on Tuesday, March the 12th, with Richmond County Schools Arts Alive that will run Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. For more information on these events and other upcoming events here in Richmond County, see our website, visit richmondcounty.com. Make sure you are subscribed to our blog to receive our newsletter every Monday and get these videos every Thursday and sometimes Friday every single week. Also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope to see you here around town in rockin' Richmond County. If not, we will see you next week.